they lit over here. Another Corvette.
Damn, they really put a gate up around the car?
They did. They got horses and shit. They riding horses in the hood now. We really in the trenches right now. In a Hellcat. Like, I feel like I'm on the drag strip right now.
Two seconds later.
Look, it's the Oak Park Market.
He has a story from being at this market.
A story?
Auntie Felicia.
Uh-oh.
She said she was pumping gas. She said she was pumping gas, and then like she said hella hood niggas just came out and started taking stuff off the stores.
I think Tiz or Day went to this school for a little bit. One of them. You got the old schools. My dad go to that community center back there to shower. The Boss Market. That's where we used to go get BB guns. Hella cars out. So obviously something going on today. Ain't nobody in a Hellcat though. So Slingshot.
What slingshot?
The 3-wheeler. Little bet. Damn, they lit over here. Another Corvette. I'm trying to find a group of people that want me to rev my car. That'd be fire. The vet, the C7 Stingray. There's no badge on it.
Damn, they really put a gate up around the car?
They did. They got horses and shit. They riding horses in the hood now. Damn, they really gated the whole shit off. Is that even legal? Can you charge for shit like that?
Yeah.
But you have to do like rent the
Especially
fucking
if it's
park.
an event.
Crackhead on a bike.
He only wearing an apron.
Oh my god. What are you doing? Should I rev it? I want to catch somebody staring so I can rev it. This is the old people. You know, they don't even know what this is. A little Hemi charger. I don't know, but I ain't paying $20 to get in just to eat. Wide body scat pack. I probably got hella family up here. When I tell you, my whole family is from out here. I literally mean my whole family. Damn, what are you doing?
Wait, weren't we out here when that car got into the accident and hit that wall?
Yes, we were. These fresh tires stay doing that. Yeah, that shit over there at the park was some old head shit.
2 hours later.
Ooh, that's a Trackhawk. I think it looked like a Trackhawk. Is it a Trackhawk? It is. That shit clean. I think it's an SRT. My bad. Hey, I knew I was gonna see something. He got the meaty tires on there too. That shit's hard. It's so expensive though. Trackhawk. You are not finding a Trackhawk for under $75,000. Why are we driving this slow? Bitch wanna speed up. I might get around her. You know, I went to middle school there. This place was on fire before too. I went to what, 8th grade there. I went to 7th at the other one closer to the house. I remember remember I seen a fake Hellcat in one of these parking lots at the gym here. I went with Jay. That shit was crazy. Nigga put Hellcat badges on the V6. Wasn't even a, it was at that gym right there. It wasn't even a new V6, it was an old V6. This one work because these sometimes these shits don't be working. Give it a little rest. You hear the little fart? No, I'm messing with you.
If I get it wet,
Because it's the car's off, yeah. Oh, I need to find 3/4. I don't think I got no quarters. It'd be nice if they took like fucking cars or something. It's 2023. Would have thought we were advanced enough in technology to do that, but L car wash.
he's staring.
Who's staring?
This white man in his fucking G's.
You staring at old ass nigga?
Staring so hard for God.
Nigga breath probably stank. Breath probably smell like coffee and little boy blood. Whoa, what the fuck? They built the fuck out of my old high school. This was not right there. This shit used to look like that. Wow, I'm shocked. They said
They're
fuck.
still building.
Wow, this was the parking lot. This is where all the kids used to park their cars. All the rich white kids. I didn't have no car in high school. Flint, a better. That's crazy. That shit don't even that shit don't even look like a school that belong in Sacramento. Name one school in Sacramento that look like that. That shit look like some other shit.
Just then.
Matter of fact, I think that's the same Chipotle I ordered from on DoorDash when my burrito bowl came and half that shit was eaten.
You lost an ass too!
That's not funny. I would have been mad as fuck. Are you sure it was half eaten or was it like...
Do you want to see? I put a picture of it on my Twitter. All right, I'm gonna end this